Mama mirante. Belum korai dan tadi baru kok. Tadi tuh. Sedangkan sedang lagi.
Program in West Karbi Anglong by bike rally. There's just a lot of people enthusiastically they have participated, and we have created awareness among our youngsters so that we have to pay homage to the martyrs of freedom struggle. So I wish everyone great success so that we can do a really beautiful Independence Day program in the coming days. And I urge each and every citizens of this West Karbi Anglong to join us in Har Ghar Tiranga program. Thank you.
There is no issue. There strict surveillance is there. Night patrolling area dominations are already going on, and we have kept static force in the strategic locations. And in all the PS area, we have also made a plan of land of plan and divided all the district into 4 zones consisting of each PS. And we have engaged sources, intelligences are there. We are gathering the inputs, all the inputs, and strict surveillances are there. As of now, there is no untoward or anything, no information is there. Untoward nothing is there. We are ready for smoothly conducting the Independence Day, and we hope it will pass off peacefully. Okay.